Hello, welcome to another exercise. In this exercise, we're going to use a design option. What I mean by that is on the same river project, you could have multiple options, but you don't have to change the file and start a new one. So if we have this right here, what if we just change the window right here but keep the original? So this will be design option 1 and this will be design option 2. Again, design option 1 and design option 2. How we do that? All right, so down here, the status bar, if you click on this icon right here, which is the design option, and you're going to see this window opens up right here. In here, you really have only one choice. Click on the option set, you click new. And then you're going to go on option set right here. Just let's rename this, and I will explain what they are for. If we rename it, so let's say front entrance windows, and we click OK, and then anyway highlight it, and then come down, not under the option set, under option, click new, and then now, so under the front entrance window you have two options. Option 1 is the primary, which we already have and option 2 is the one we're going to make the changes. Let's create another option set. So I'm going to click option set new right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, rename it front for the roof part, front entrance roof, and click OK. While that is highlighted, under option, click new. So what we have here, we have two different in the front of the building. For the front window we have two different options, and for the roof we also have a two different option. Click close, and if we go on a 3D, let me change this a little bit right here. This, I want to change these windows, but I want to keep the primary intact. So this windows and this whole thing, this wall, they're all supported by this front wall, side wall, and the other side wall. You can select it from here, but easiest for me is like this way here. So this is the 3 wall I'm talking about. I'm going to click this side wall right here and hit the control button, hold it, and select this wall, and also select this wall. And if I go into 3D, you can see I have this 3 wall selected. With this 3 walls selected, come back down in here, the status bar right there, it says add to set. Click that, and we're going to come ahead and change the front entrance to front entrance windows, and both options should be checked, and we're going to add that, and we're going to click OK. Now we have done this. We're going to come back in here in the status bar, it says exclude options, so go ahead and click that, and we are in the main model, so we're going to go into front entrance option number 2, and we have this right here, and we are in option 2. In this here, let's change these windows. I'm going to click on a window and highlight all of them. Click the first one, hold the control button, and hold the other control button. There we go. All 3 of them are selected. So let's change this window. If I go in here in the property palette, see if I can change it, there's not much option that I like. So let's change it. We're going to click edit type, and here duplicate, and then let's change that to 18 inch by 72. Okay, click OK. And while we're here, let's shut these 2 month visibility off, both of them, and then come down here, change the dimension. That's a 1 foot, 18 inches makes it 1 foot by 6 inch. So I'm going to make this to a 6 inch. Actually, it's a 1 foot 6 inch, 1 space 6, and this one was a 6 feet, so that's a 6 feet is a 72 inches. And then you can see the rough opening will change by itself. So let's click apply and click OK, and you can see our window has changed, but this is too high. Let's fix this a little bit. While in this mode, go to the property palette and go down to where it says head height. Let's then make to a 6 or 7 feet. Let's just say 6, 7 feet, see what happened. 7 feet, and apply. That looks better. Okay, so let's hit escape, get out of this command, and then down here select back to the main model. Just look at the picture. When we go to the main model, we go back to what we had. So the stuff we did is no longer there. We have to figure a way to get back to that option 2. And this is the 3D mode, and if I'm coming down here, go into project browser where we have a 3D, click on a 3D, the view, and then right click, hit duplicate, view, and then right there rename, window option 2. Okay, so we have a window option 2 right here. Then right here, you can type in W or go up to the visibility, click that, and you notice in here the tab has an additional tab that says design option. So we click on design option, and for the front window, this one, it says automatic. Let's click that, and what it is right here is the primary is the first one shows up. So we're going to make the option 2 the for the this view, and we're going to click apply, click OK, and you can see right now this is the option 2, window option 2. So if you go up here to 3D, the 3D is like this. That's option 1, and our option 2 is look like that.